an important topic.
It is better for students to work while studying or to focus solely on academics.
Our two speakers will represent their arguments, one in favor of working students
and the other in favor of non-working students.
You know what, Gia? What do you think is the best for the students? Is to work while studying or to focusing on their studies?
So focusing on their studies.
No, Gia. I believe that being a working student is the best choice. It provides financial independence, teaches responsibilities, or prepares students for the realities of adulthood. Many students struggle with tuition fees and daily expenses, and working allows them to contribute their own education instead of relying on their families or loans. Additionally, work experience at a young age makes students more competitive in the job market. Employers value individuals who can balance multiple responsibilities, and working students develop strong time management and problem-solving skills.
I disagree. Students should focus entirely on their academics and personal development rather than dividing their time and energy between work and school. Education is an investment in the future, and if students prioritize learning, we will have better career opportunities after graduation. Working can lead to excess stress, exhaustion, and a decline in academic performance. Instead of working, students should apply for scholarships, seek financial aid, or find internships related to their field that will benefit their future careers without compromising their education.
I understand your point, but not all students have the privilege of relying on scholarship or financial aid. Some students have no choice but to work to afford their education. Many students also develop better time management skills when balancing work and school. In fact, working students tend to be more responsible, independent, and prepared for life after graduation because they already have experience in handling real-world challenges.
That's true, but balancing work and studies is extremely difficult. Many working students suffer from exhaustion and lack time for extracurricular activities or social interactions. They may even miss out on internships that could be more beneficial of their careers. A well-rounded education is not just about earning a degree. It is also about networking, gaining relevant experiences, and maintaining good physical and mental health.
And I agree the balance is important. But students can choose part-time jobs or flexible working hours that allows them to maintain their studies. Many students successfully work while studying and still manage to do well academically. Besides, learning how to manage stress and responsibilities at a young age prepares them for the workforce, where they will have to handle even more pressures.
But the main responsibility of a student is to study. Working while studying might develop some skills, but it comes at a cost of lower grades, poor health, and missed opportunities, then it's not worth it. If students focus on excelling in school, they can secure better job opportunities after graduation, ensuring long-term success.
In conclusion, working while studying helps students become more independent, responsible, and prepared for the real world. While it may be challenging, the benefits outweigh the struggles. A student who learns to manage work and studies will have an advantage in the market and the life.
While working students gain experience, the sacrifices they make whether in academics, health, or personal growth can be costly. Prioritizing education ensures better long-term opportunities. Students have entire lives to work, but they only have chance to focus on their education.